back to the channel. We're back at London Heathrow here with a Boeing 777-200 taking off. Lovely. First thing that happens. And yes, it's not raining, which makes it wonderful. But it's more rather fucking burning out here. Literally. But that guy can't take the blame. That guy can't take the blame, sorry. And we are waiting for what I just seen. Well, Toby decided to go to McDonald's. I decided to stay. Do you want to know why? It's because somehow I knew there was going to be something good. I thought there was going to be something good. I thought there was going to be an ash cloud. Honestly, I thought there was going to be a massive explosion because an Air India just departed. Honestly, I'm sorry for saying that as well. And now we are waiting for an Etihad A380, which they are high chancely gonna miss. They went a long time ago, and they're missing an A380, I think, or is it just gone to park up? Please don't tell me it's just gone to park up. Oh no, it couldn't have just gone to park up, because if I would have known, there it is. It's an Etihad A380. Yes, that's what we're here for. An Etihad A380. Etihad. It's Etihad. Sorry, I said Etihad. This is why I said Toby stay, because he might miss a big plane, or a cool special livery plane, or an event plane which only comes once at this airport. He stayed with me for a couple of moments and then he left. So he has to pay the price for leaving, because he's missing an A380. If he misses an A380, then guess that's his fault. Not gonna lie, that's gonna be loud as hell. He's gonna be sad, isn't he? Wow. Oh. You know he's missing it. Now Kevin's missing his favourite aircraft. The flipping American 777. This is absolutely goated. Why does this happen? This is like nature or something like that. What happened last time? I left, but I got here in time for the A380. Great. I ran for the Emirates A380 down that little road. How the hell is that guy going that fast? What the fuck is he riding on? Spade. Speeding down the street, he's a big asshole. Oh yeah, here we go. For such a good plane. I think Toby might cry. Oh my god, American triples have her. Oh yes, this is for Kevin. You've got a LATAM 777 on the ground down there. I bet you're going to be so in love with that one. It's his least favourite airplane. He hates LATAM. I love LATAM, I think it's cool. There's a guy looking at me mysteriously. I'm wondering what he's up to. Please get back, I don't want you to miss the A380. Oh, that's why I made this, so they get to prove. I was going to say to them, you missed an A380. Oh no, they're back! Yes! Should I go tell him? A380! A380! Toby! A380! They're back. Just in time. Okay, miss it then. It's none of my business. They're here. I thought they were going to miss the A380. I would have been sad. Toby, it's an A380. Yes, Etihad A380. I told him the next would probably be an Etihad or Qatar. And 2 Americans. Today 380.
He's been keeping you company, shouting out the planes.
Away now.
Well done. Good mate. Yeah. Drink.
Oh.
Do you want to sit in, mate? Let's put the aircon on for you. Yeah. Go on.
You know you're allowed to sit. You know you're allowed to sit there.
Yeah, in a second. But if you go through my glass roof, I'll kill you. I'll open the window for you.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna try rip the straw. Oh yes! 2 A380s. Toby. Would you mind taking this for me, please? Oh god. And there's another A380. There's 2 A380s here. Sorry. American 777. Should I get in the car and tell him? He don't care, honestly.
What's him? What's the H? So we just need to cool off a little bit, okay?
Oh, there's a special livery landing. It's down there. Can you see it? It's blue British Airways. How the hell did Austrian handle that fast? No, they don't. Guys, I'm just going to get into the car. Oh my god, the car shakes. Oh god, oh god. I'm trying to explain to Toby what the hell this is. I'm trying to explain to Toby what you're about to say. Toby, we're about to see an Etihad A380 and a British Airways A380. That's like what that blue Emirates was. One of those. That size, but taking off, so it's going to be 10 times louder. Lovely. You'll love that. Oh, and the ERJ 145 is on approach of Logan Airs. Yes. Toby, can you see the A380? Can you see it? Right in front of us, look. Right in front of the car right now. I think it's an A380 on the runway. Sorry, it's really hard to get out of the car. Oh no, one more plane and then the A380. Everybody's gathered here for the flipping A380s. What a shock. And there could have been an ash cloud earlier.
What's that?
Air India departed. Yes, that is Air France. Toby, special liveries landing. Toby, you alright? Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes.
You alright, buddy?
Toby, the A380's not. Toby, the A380's moving onto the runway now. Etihad. I'll start a new part.